Hey everybody, Chris Bassett here, and I'll be going over which music playlists you can play on stream and not get in trouble. So right here I got Grok pulled up, usually my go-to, and to avoid getting in trouble with DMCA strikes, muted VODs or clips, and copyright claims while streaming on platforms like Twitch or YouTube, stick to music that is explicitly licensed for live streaming or cleared as royalty-free DMCA-safe for creators. Popular music like Spotify hits, mainstream artists often trigger automated detection and can lead to issues, even if it seems chill or background friendly. Here's some reliable streamer focused options with playlists that are widely recommended and safe as 2026. So the free options are going to be my go-to here, like free. So no subscription needed. Go over to your Spotify. So start a Spotify account, get Spotify loaded up, and we're going to go over check out StreamBeats by Harris Heller, excuse me. So just type that in your search bar. You can add this to your playlist. This is pretty decent, and it's got a pretty big playlist. I think it has over 24 hours, so you can play this on random or rotate, and it's good to go. Also, the next one you may want to look at is Bass Rebels on Spotify. So that's also a very similar in regards to the copyright free section, but it also is completely free. You can check it out and see the kind of music. I think both genres of music are EDM stuff. So they're built specifically for streamers. They have genres like lo-fi, EDM, chill, and synthwave, etc. The playlists are available on Spotify, as I said before, and the music is 100% free and DMCA safe for Twitch, YouTube streams, and VODs. Just search that up and check it out. Let's go over a few other ones. So, gaming music copyright for free and Twitch. I'll put these links down in the description of the video, so if you want to check these out, you can see it's got over 1,200 songs, 24 hours. So let's look at this one. And as you have your Spotify account, I just have the free Spotify. I'm not, I'm not paying for it, but you can see it's right there, and then you can listen through the music and see what you think. Same one here. Another options. There's multiple options to check out. Stream safe music for Twitch, copyright free. Usually, you search up the term, and it'll come up. Generally speaking. So if you don't want to do Spotify, there's some other stuff to check out. So there's like a no ban stream, beats background, and no copyright sounds. These are all Spotify, but then there's also YouTube. So you can also go to YouTube, search for lo-fi chilled beats or 12 hours of DMCA free, copyright free, DMC free playlist. Search in the YouTube for long mixes, and I'll have some of those keywords down in the description. That way you can copy paste it into your browser and search. Now we'll talk a little bit about the paid or premium options, which usually are higher quality and more variety. In my opinion, it's not that big a difference, but we'll check out Epidemic Sound. Just check out Epidemic Sound. They have royalty-free music. You go in, see what you can start a free account, but it's usually like $15 a month. Pretzel Rocks, same situation, where you have specifically for live streamers. Soundstripe is another option. The pricing, like I said, I think you can get like a free trial, but then eventually you have to pay. And then what I've been using, which is interesting, is Suno. So if you want to create like your own music, period, you can create any genre, anything. So you just go over, create a free account will let you generate this music, which is all like EDM stuff. But you use keywords or use prompts. So I enjoy like the Blade soundtrack EDM or like dubstep or electronic dance music with no vocals. I didn't want any vocals on it. So you just punch in a prompt and then it'll spit out all this music here, which the free version is for personal use only, but you pay $10 for the month, and everything you generate in that month, up to like 500 songs, you get to keep for your stream. So it actually puts out some really nice stuff. Just head over here. It's free. Set up an account and try that out. I really enjoy that. All right, so what else you got? So quick tips. Play these via Spotify, Apple Music, but use a separate audio track in your streaming software like OBS if you want clean VODs. You can separate. So, for example, I'm going to bring up my streaming software here, and you can see that I've added a third. You want to add, you got your like normal mic, you got the gameplay audio, and then here would be the music. So you just add a different source for your music, and then you can choose Spotify and have it play here and play at its own decibel level. Like, for example, if my mic is 100%, the game audio is like 15, minus 15 decibels, and the music's like minus 20, and that kind of balances out the sounds. But you could also go over to, oh, so here it is. So over on the audio, you hit edit, and then you can exclude this from the VOD track. That way, when you're recording or you're doing other things, you can separate this. That way you don't have any problems. But you will want to always double check the playlist description for terms of service, saying Twitch safe or streaming license mentions, and avoid any kind of copyright free, like random playlists, unless they specify streamer clearance. Some of them are just mislabeled. But anyway, that's going to be it for the video. Hopefully this was helpful. Give a thumbs up and check out some other videos over here or over there or something. So anyway, all right, thanks everybody. I'll see you in the next one. Later.